Problem number 4 wants us to balance the reaction and determine which is the oxidizing and which is the reducing agent in each case. And this is what we're given. Chromium 1 plus tin 4 gives chromium 3 plus tin 2. Well, the way we balance this reaction is first we split each part of the reaction based on what loses and what gains electrons. So in other words, we'll take the chromium from both sides and we'll say that to get from chromium plus, or to get chromium 1, we take chromium 3 and add 2 electrons. 2 electrons. In the case of tin, to get tin 4 plus to tin 2, we need to add 2 electrons to the tin 4. Now let's look at both of these equations. Both of them have 2 electrons, so we don't need to multiply this by anything. It's fine the way it is because the electrons will cancel out on both sides. We can go ahead and do that now. Cancel out both electrons. Then we take from both equations, we combine them by taking everything from the left side, Cr plus Sn4 plus gives Cr3 plus Sn2 plus. And would you look at that? The equation was already balanced. So, which is the oxidizing and which is the reducing agent? Well, Cr plus goes to Cr3 plus. In other words, it loses electrons, so it's oxidized. And Sn4 plus goes to Sn2 plus, which means it gains electrons. In other words, it was reduced. Remember oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. So when something is oxidized, well, that makes it the reducing agent. And when something is reduced, that makes it the oxidizing agent. So in this case, chromium 1 was our reducing agent, and tin 4 was our oxidizing agent.